welcome back to my channel, and this is Ilocana's Art. For today's video, I'll be exploring my new Copic markers. This one. It's a very special gift that I have received in this Christmas. Yeah, from special person. Yeah, and I'm so excited to use these guys because I was been dreaming to have this long time ago since I started my channel, and finally I got it. This is very expensive. It's $2,880 Hong Kong dollar, and probably I cannot afford but this is it in my hands now. I'm so happy to have this. I'll be unboxing. My God, I need a knife. Thank you. This Copic sketch markers has two tips, dual tips, and 72 colors. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh, ganito pala siya. Ganito pala siya, may ano na siya, oh. I don't know how to put this. Ayan guys, ano siya, 72 colors, and it's dual tip. Look, dual tip. Ayan, fine and broad one. Yes, I'm so excited to use this in my sketch book. Yeah, I'm just so happy. Yeah, I don't know how to express my. So this is it, and I have some from YouTube company. Yeah, this is my Google AdSense. It's my Google AdSense here, and I haven't opened yet because I just take it from my friend today. Since nung na-monetize ako, ang tagal kong hinintay ito. Last year pa to. Sana last June. May, June. Ngayon ko lang na-receive. Actually, nag-request ako nung December 3. December 22 meron na. Oh my God, this is it! Yay! May sahod na ako sa YouTube! Oh my God!
Support!
Thank you sa mga support sa channel ko! Thank you so much guys for supporting my channel. Wala, speechless na ako. Di ko na lang sasabihin. Oh my God! Tatabling na lang ako dito ba? So yun, maraming salamat sa inyong mga suporta. Hope you guys enjoying watching my channel, and I'm looking forward to use these Copic markers. So see you in my next video using this one. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you! Merry Christmas, everybody!